Your Center, good evening, American 409, flight level 350.
American 409 here, Center, good evening, radar contact, you can expect RNAV runway 12 approach.
Alright, we'll expect your RNAV 12 from American 40, appreciate it.
American 409, clear direct to Weenan.
Alright, direct to Wheaton for American 409. And New York American 409, I'd like to start now if possible.
American 409, descend to pilot's discretion, maintain 5,000, Bermuda, 73018.
Alright, discretion down to 5,000 for American 409.
American 409 in New York.
American 409.
Alright, the tower just called, and the terminal in Bermuda has received a bomb threat. So they are evacuating the terminal. She wanted me to advise you so that you can determine what you'd like to do. Now, as far as landing and getting it, I don't know a time frame. They're evacuating. Then I'm sure I'm gonna have to sweep it, and so there might be some sort of delay on the runway or whatever, or taxiway somewhere. But I'm not 100% sure. If you want to get a hold of company, but that's all the information I do have at the moment.
409, copy, we'll hold. New York American 409.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, was this a terminal threat or somewhere on the field?
It was, from what I understand, it was terminal. I don't know anything more than that. All she said there was a bomb threat at the terminal and they're evacuating.
After that, we'll continue land on the taxiway and we'll hold as far away as the terminal as until it's cleared.
Okay. I'll let her know if that's what you want to do, and if there's any problems, I'll get back to you in a minute.
Yeah, there's plenty of gas, so if we're going to go, let us know. And New York Center, American 409, Threat&Low.
All right. I actually can't get you any lower just for another about 4 minutes or so.
409.
American 409?
American 409.
All right, the tower just called and say basically the delay on the ground is undetermined. The terminal has been evacuated, and now they're waiting on bomb squad to go through the entire terminal. So she's making it sound like it's going to be hours before you guys will be getting off the plane. So I don't know what you want to do, just advise.
All right, we'll advise for 409, I appreciate it.
Well,
any chance we could set up present position holding right here?
American 409, hold present position, maintain 5,000, right or left, and turn to your discretion.
All right, hold present position, maintain 5,000, left or right turns our discretion for American 409. All right, we'll do 10-mile legs, New York, for American 409.
That's not a problem, sir. There's nobody around you, you're low, and everybody's way up above.
Yeah, I figure, appreciate it, thanks for 409. And Center American 409.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Yeah, we decided we're going to reroute to Norfolk.
Okay. American 409, just give me a minute, I'll get routing. How about for now, you're cleared present position direct to Anapi, Echo, November, Alpha, Papa, India.
All right, cleared direct to Anapi for American 409.
American 409, you want to start climbing?
Yes, that's affirmative for 409.
Flight maintain flight level 300, American 409er.
All right, 300 for American 409, I appreciate it. And 409 requesting 360 as a final.
I have your request, and I have routing whenever you're ready.
And American 409 is ready, copy.
American 409, you cleared to Norfolk via direct to Zybit, Zulu, India, Bravo, Uniform, Tango. And then after Zybit, it's going to be Alpha Romeo 9er to Oscar Romeo 5 direct.
All right, American 409 is cleared to Norfolk via Zybit, Alpha Romeo 9er and direct to Norfolk.
American 409, that's affirmative, and if you, that's one routing option. You can, so you're cleared on that at this moment. If you want to go a more southern route, it's going to be Annapolis to Oksana and then up AR8. It kind of comes in from the south if you want to take a look at it in the meantime.
Can you give me that reading one more time? I apologize for talking.
Yeah, not a problem. It's, the other option is Annapolis, which is November Alpha Papa India, Mike 325, Oksana, Oscar X-Ray Alpha November Alpha, AR8 to Elizabeth City, Echo Charlie Golf, and then direct Norfolk from there.
All right, American 409, we'll take the first one to Zybut, Alpha Romeo 9er, and then Norfolk.
409, that's all approved as requested. Clear direct Zybut, AR9, Norfolk.
All right, direct Zybut, AR9, Norfolk for American 409, I appreciate you.
American 409, climb maintain flight level 340 for now. You can expect flight level 360 as a final, and you want Mach 80, or you came in on 78, so I wasn't sure.
78 to work, and up to 340, we'll expect 360.
Copy, thanks.
And New York American 409, we got a change request. We're not going to be able to take the north route.
Say that one more time?
Sorry, we're not going to be able to take the north route.
Okay, you want to go the southern route?
Yeah, we're putting some stuff in right now. We need to go direct as possible. It's going to be a fuel concern, so.
Okay, how about this? American 409, clear Norfolk via direct to Oksana. Oscar X-Ray Alpha November Alpha, Alpha Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf, direct. And once you to Oksana, they might be able to cut you through shorter, just if the warning areas are called.
All right, did I hear Norfolk via Oksana, Echo Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf?
Yes, everything's correct except for it's not Echo Romeo 8, it's Alpha Romeo 8. So direct Oksana, Alpha Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf, direct.
All right, Oksana, Alpha Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf, and direct for American 409.
Affirmative, thank you.
And New York Center American 409, declaring an emergency, need direct Norfolk.
American 409 is clear direct Norfolk.
All right, direct Norfolk for American 409, I appreciate you.
And American 409, if there's anything else I can help, you let me know. When you have it, though, I'd like an ETA for Norfolk, please.
We'll let you know here for 409. And American 409, ETA to Norfolk is 0314 Zulu.
And for American 409er, I imagine that the emergency is due to fuel.
That's affirmative for American 409.
Roger. All right, so American 409er, when you have it, I need a number of souls on board. I have your ETA for Norfolk. Do you need personnel standing by at the field? And like I said, if there's anything else I can do to help you in the meantime, just let me know.
Copy that. We'll let you know. I don't think it's going to be necessary for anybody standing by. Stand by for souls on board fuel.
Thank you. And American 409, you still want Mach .80 on the way back?
Negative. Mach .78, please.
American 409, maintain Mach .78.
6 for American 409. And New York, did you copy American 409 is requesting Mach .76?
American 409, maintain Mach .76.
Appreciate it, Mach .76 now for American 409. And New York American 409, souls on board is 129 and 13,600 pounds of fuel.
American 409, thank you. American 409er, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock, 50 miles southbound, Airbus 320, flight level 350, I'll have higher for you, clear that traffic.
American 409, look for please.
American 409er, traffic no factor, climb and maintain flight level 360.
Alright, 360 now for American 409 and requesting Mach .74. Actually, we're doing Mach .74. We'll request that for the rest.
American 409er, climb and maintain flight level 360, then maintain Mach .74.
Alright, 360, then Mach .74 for American 409.
American 409er, I'm going to be terminating your radar right now, actually, unless there's something else that I could do for you before you go.
Negative. Appreciate the help, though, for American 409.
Nope, that's what we're here for. American 409er, your radar service is terminated. Contact New York Radio on a primary of 6577 or a backup of 5550.
Alright, American 409, 6577-5550 and stand by for the captain. And New York American 409.
American 409er, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, we reflight planned using your Anabi Mike 325 over to Oxtown and AR8. It looks fine now on the field.
Okay, you know what, American 409er, we're still going to continue to treat you like an emergency. Thanks for the heads up, but you have a good night, sir. Like I said, if there's anything else I can do for you, just, let us know. We're here to help.
Yeah, I just feel safer going on Mike 325 instead of just flying through the airspace.
Understood. That's okay. We'll make it work.
Okay. So we'll contact radio and let them know what we're doing. We're just
So, American 409er, I just you'd prefer to fly the airway instead of direct? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, it looks like I'm going to be okay on my gas now. We didn't have a good readout earlier, and so we'd like to fly a Nabi Mike 325 to Oksana AR8, OP direct.
All right, you know what? Stand by for 1 second, sir. So, for American 409 New York?
American 409.
Okay, American 409er, it's more of a procedural thing at this point, but that routing is approved as requested. The next controller, the non-radar controller, is actually going to have a clearance for you through New York Radio. If you could just acknowledge that, and everything will be fine.
Okay, sounds good. What is the frequency again?
Sure. Primary for American 409er is 6577, backup 5550. By the time you check on, they should actually have that clearance. He was typing it in as I was talking to him.
6577 and 5550.
Good night.
New York, American 49 on 65.
American, please confirm your flight number one more time.
That's American 409er. Pan.
Confirm you are dwelling Pan.
We're an emergency aircraft that thought we were in a low fuel state. We have set up our computers and found out our fuel state is okay. So we're just going to continue, since we declared the emergency, to use that en route. We talked to New York Radio, to our New York center, to set up an API Mike 325 to Oksana AR8 to OP direct Norfolk. And that's what we're doing now. And we have plenty of gas now that we've slowed down and climbed up.
Copy. You are dwelling Pan emergency. You have enough gas, and you spoke with ATC about going direct Norfolk. Confirm?
We were direct Norfolk. I feel safer just staying on the airway. That way we can give position reports and we know who's crossing the path.
Copy. What is the nature of the emergency again? You still look very broken. Can you say again slowly?
Roger. American 409 had a divert to Norfolk. We thought we had a low fuel state, but it turned out being just fine. But we had already declared the emergency. So we no longer have a low fuel state.
Copy. You had to divert to Norfolk because you thought you were low on fuel, but it turns out that you are now fine, and you are still declaring an emergency, so you are direct Norfolk. Confirm?
Negative. For safety reasons, we'd like to stay on Mike 325.
Copy. You would like to stay on Mike 325 for safety reasons.
Affirmative. Mike 325 to Oksana. And then Alpha Romeo 8 to Opie. And then direct Norfolk.
Copy. You would like to stay on Mike 325 for safety reasons to Oksana, Alpha Romeo 8, Oscar Papa India, direct Norfolk. Confirm?
That's Alpha Romeo 8 to Oscar Hotel Papa Echo Alpha.
Can you spell that out for me again?
Oscar Hotel Papa Echo Alpha.
Alpha Hotel Papa Echo Alpha, thank you, New York.
Roger. New York, American 409 on 65.
American 409, I have a clearance for you and a request. Advise and ready to copy.
Okay, go.
American 409, New York ATC clears you, route has been changed. Clear destination airport, Kilo Oscar Romeo Foxtrot, direct Fairville, Mike 325, Oksana, Alpha Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf, read back.
Okay, understand, clear direct to ONGOT, Oscar November, Golf, Oscar Tango, Mike 325, Oksana, Alpha Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf.
And you are clear direct Fairville, Papa Echo Romeo Delta Oscar, Mike 325, Oksana, Alpha Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf. Go ahead.
Okay, copy that. Perdo first, then Mike 325, Oksana, Alpha Romeo 8, Echo Charlie Golf, and then direct to Norfolk, American 409.
American 409, readback is correct, and New York ATC would like to request if you verified you are negative on fuel emergency. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's negative fuel emergency now. We have plenty of gas.
Copy, negative fuel emergency. You have plenty of fuel. What is your endurance?
Roger, we've got. We have an extra 36 minutes after we get to the field, so let's call it 2 hours.
Copied. You have 2 hours of endurance. I'll advise New York.
Roger.
American 409, New York.
American 409 answering cell call on 65.
American 409, New York ATC is requesting you squawk 7620. Go ahead.
Squawking 7620 American 409.
Thank you, New York.
New York, New York, American 409, transmitting on 6.5.
Flight calling New York.
American 409, over Pardo, 0145, flight level 360. Estimate on GOT 0155. Next, net fuel 10.2.
American 409, overhead Pardo at 0145, flight level 350, and on GOT next at 0154. Net is next, fuel remaining 10.2, confirm.
Over Pardo, 0145, flight level 360. On GOT, estimating on GOT 0155. Next, net fuel 10.2.
Copy, Pardo 0145, 360. On GOT 0155 net and fuel 10.2. At position on GOT, contact New York Center 126.02. Go ahead.
At on GOT 126.2 for American 409.
And I just want to clarify again, it's 126.02.
126.02 for American 409.
From there, New York, have a safe flight. Take care, New York.
409 New York.
New York, good evening, American 409, flight level 360.
American 409 New York Center, roger, your radar contact, and are you a fuel emergency or declaring in the fuel?
Negative, not at this time. We've corrected the issue.
American 409, descend maintain for both 320.
Alright, 320 now for American 409.
American 409, descend and maintain flight level 300.
300 now for American 409.
American 409, contact Washington Center 120.75.
75 for American 409.